You're now going to learn how to make a love heart. For this, you just need the one balloon. I'm going to leave one finger uninflated. Then from the tying end, I'm going to tie with that one finger bubble. So you have a circle shape. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to bring my arm up like this. I'm going to bring the top bit down like so, and then approximately 3 fingers above here my thumb and my finger is in my twisting hand, and then with my other hand I'm going to pull down, and it's going to make a popping sound. And what that does is it gives you the heart shape. Now it can take about maybe 5-6 attempts, and there you have your love heart. Now you can do the same at the bottom as well. So I'm going to pull that down and do some popping. Do the same with the other side, and there you have a much better love heart. Thank you for watching.